What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best laptops for video editing in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Kicking off our review list is the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio, a device that we believe to be the superior 2-in-1 laptop for video editing in 2023. It's not the most affordable option, but this machine can comfortably handle a broad spectrum of creative tasks and boasts one of Microsoft's most innovative displays. Microsoft's Surface range has consistently pushed boundaries with design and form factors since its inception with the original 2-in-1 Surface RT. This pioneering spirit has resulted in the evolution of the Surface Pro X, a lightweight and highly portable device. This innovative streak continues with the Surface Laptop Studio, which merges the Surface Laptop with elements of the Desktop Studio and premium 2-in-1 Surface Book. At first sight, it appears to be a standard laptop, opening like one and featuring a conventional keyboard. However, on closer inspection, it's clear that this is no ordinary laptop. As you grab the screen from either side and tilt it back, you'll encounter slight resistance as you pull the screen away from the magnet securing it. Pair it with a Bluetooth keyboard, and you have a complete portable photo processing system, particularly if you opt for the high-end SKUs with 1 TB or 2 TB of storage. The keyboard is one of Microsoft's finest, combining the feel of Surface Book keys with the look of Surface laptop keys, slightly recessed for comfortable typing. The 14.4-inch display may be smaller than the 15-inch Surface Book, but the slim bezels and curved corners make it sufficiently large. It also has lower resolution than the Surface Book's 3000 by 2000 267 ppi display, running at 2400 by 1600 201 ppi. A significant feature is the support for 120Hz refresh rate for smoother scrolling. This Surface Book-like display offers excellent color gamut in blacks, making it an ideal photo processing device. A standout feature is the discrete 4GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti GPU, providing ample power for Lightroom's machine learning-based image enhancement. This GPU is a major selling point of the Surface Laptop Studio, offering a quick performance boost when needed. Furthermore, the RTX 3050 Ti gives you access to NVIDIA's suite of camera and audio processing tools, enhancing your video meetings with features like typing sound filtering, high-quality background blur, and face tracking. Good stuff. The Asus Zenbook Pro 14 Duo is the next item on our review agenda, and it's safe to say that this laptop is the dual-screen choice for video editing as of 2023. This unique offering from Asus Zenbook Pro Duo series features a primary display and an additional screen positioned above the keyboard. When folded, this device appears as a typical 14.5-inch laptop, although it leans towards the heavier and bulkier side. Its dimensions at the front are 32.35 centimeters in width, 22.47 centimeters in depth, and 1.79 centimeters in thickness, which extends to 1.96 centimeters at the back. The primary display is a 14.5-inch OLED, complemented by a 12.7-inch IPS panel as the secondary screen, both of which are touch-sensitive. The standout features of this laptop, namely its secondary display and distinctive keyboard layout, become evident once you open it. The main display deserves special attention too. It's a 16:10 OLED touchscreen with a 2.8K resolution, 2880 by 1800, boasting a brightness of 550 nits and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Graphic designers and other creative professionals will value the screen's swift refresh rate in OLED technology, providing vibrant colors, sharp images, and broad viewing angles. The screen is encased in narrow bezels, contributing to a 93% screen-to-body ratio as per Asus. These slim bezels enhance the viewing experience and keep the laptop's overall size to a minimum. A webcam is situated above the screen. In our case, it's at 720p with IR for Windows Hello facial recognition, although Asus specifies that a 1080p version is also available. Asus also provides the Asus Pen 2.0 stylus and a short charging cable. The stylus is compatible with both screens. The secondary ScreenPad Plus is a 12.7-inch IPS panel with a resolution of 2880 by 864, matching the width of the main screen and standing 3.75 inches tall. When the laptop lid is raised, the ScreenPad Plus elevates at the back, making for easier viewing and facilitating heat dissipation. Creative professionals can utilize this secondary display for specialized touch controls designed for Adobe Photoshop. Lightroom Classic, Premiere Pro, and After Effects. In addition, the speakers deliver above-average sound quality, high maximum volume, and no distortion at peak volume. Thumbs up! Introducing the MSI Creator Z16, a laptop that we, along with numerous user reviews, believe is the leading choice for video editing in 2023. This NVIDIA Studio laptop, specifically crafted for content creators and hobbyists interested in creative applications, offers impressive gaming capabilities as well. It's an all-in-one solution with features that cater to a wide array of users. Its screen, boasting 100% DCI-P3 color coverage and touchscreen capability, is a boon for video and photo editors, while gamers will appreciate the 120Hz refresh rate. The MSI Creator Z16 offers a seamless blend of gaming and work capabilities without compromising on the aesthetics of a gaming laptop, complete with unique RGB lighting and a sleek chassis. The model under our review is equipped with 32GB of RAM and a 2TB NVMe SSD, offering robust power and performance. The laptop's solid metal chassis weighs 4.9 pounds, and its dimensions are 14.13 by 10.08 by 0.64 inches, making it conveniently portable. It can easily fit in a standard backpack or bag, and its sturdy build provides reassurance for those who travel frequently. The laptop comes with a variety of ports. On the left, there's a standard headphone microphone jack, a USB Type-C port, a USB Type-A port, and a power port. On the right, you'll find a micro SD reader, an additional USB Type-C port, and another USB Type-A port. The 16-inch screen, resembling the MacBook Pro's thin bezels, adds a touch functionality that enhances web page and app navigation, giving it an advantage over Apple's flagship. With a brightness level of approximately 398 nits, the screen's luminosity is above average for a high-end laptop. At its heart, the 11th Gen Intel i9 processor and RTX 3060 GPU provide the power needed to run demanding creative applications, making it a perfect choice for video and photo editors. The built-in speakers of the MSI Creator Z16 offer loud sound quality with sufficient depth and bass, allowing enjoyable gaming or movie experiences without headphones. An added feature is the IR camera for Windows Hello Face authentication, enabling facial recognition for logging into the laptop. MSI's exclusive Cooler Boost technology ensures optimal heat dissipation. With 3 fans, the new Cooler Boost Trinity Plus increases airflow by up to 15%. It's truly remarkable. If you're prepared to invest a little extra to reap the benefits of a high-end product, your search ends here. The Razer Blade 16, our top pick for the best premium video editing laptop in 2023, is worth every penny. Renowned as one of the most powerful laptops globally, it boasts cutting-edge Intel processors and the newest NVIDIA GPUs. Notably, it can be customized with an RTX 4090. The Blade 16's mini LED display natively supports 4K plus 120Hz and 1080p plus 240Hz, providing a gaming experience with up to 120 FPS. While you can configure a 4K panel to downscale to 1080p or lower, this often results in reduced image quality. The Blade 16, however, maintains crisp resolution, matching standalone monitors' performance. This is thanks to its dual-mode mini LED technology, developed in collaboration with display manufacturer AUO. The screen is native 4K plus 240Hz panel that can sync pixels together for accurate downscaling to 1080p, thereby enhancing the visual experience significantly more than typical downscaling methods. In the past, you had to compromise between a 4K display and a lower refresh rate or a faster 1080p or 1440p display, but the Blade 16 eliminates this need for compromise, offering both high resolution and speed. The only minor inconvenience is that toggling between these two modes necessitates a complete reboot. Another standout feature is the ease and speed at which you can switch between ultra-sharp 4K for creative work and an ultra-fast refresh rate for seamless gameplay. This flexibility makes it an excellent choice for both gamers and creators. Despite its powerful features, the Blade 16 maintains portability with a body size similar to a typical 15-inch gaming laptop. It offers even more screen space without compromising on convenience, making it a perfect blend of both worlds. If your budget allows, we highly recommend investing in this powerhouse of a laptop. At last, the moment you've all been waiting for is here. The crowning glory, the gold medal for the best laptop for video editing in 2023 has been bestowed upon the Apple MacBook Pro 16. This laptop has outshone its competition with a host of updated features and unmatched performance. The 16-inch MacBook Pro has seen significant enhancements, making it more powerful than its predecessors. A key highlight is the Liquid Retina display, which is among the brightest and finest in the laptop market, now made even better with micro LED backlighting. This model boasts numerous ports and an impressive battery life of 22 hours. It's hard not to fall in love with this machine. Like many of its Apple counterparts, this MacBook Pro offers a range of customizable options, including memory and onboard storage. These features make it an ideal choice for varied needs, whether as a video editing laptop or a programming laptop. A fully loaded 16-inch MacBook Pro, equipped with a 12-core CPU, a 38-core M2 Max GPU, 96 GB of memory, and 8 TB of storage might dent your pocket, but the price is justified given its capabilities. Regardless of which MacBook Pro version you opt for, you're guaranteed a delightful experience. Both the 14-inch and 16-inch models are a testament to Apple's commitment to refining and perfecting their products. These laptops are aesthetically pleasing and comfortable to use. They offer an array of ports on both sides, including 3 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, MagSafe 3, an HDMI port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and an SDXC card slot. In addition, they provide Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6E 802.11ak wireless connectivity. The keyboard is another standout feature, offering a full physical row of function keys and providing a satisfying typing experience. However, the real stars of the MacBook Pro 2023 are its display and battery life. The Liquid Retina XDR display on the 16-inch screen is a delight to behold. The much-lauded battery life of up to 22 hours holds true, as confirmed by various tests. The M2 Pro chipset offers 30% faster graphics performance than the preceding M1 Pro, while doubling the memory bandwidth, up to 200 GB per second, compared to the standard M2 launched in 2022. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best laptops for video editing in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.